Elsa. So cold. I think we need a new house.
I want a frozen house.
And I love McDonald's house.
Hi everyone, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Miniature House. Today, I built simple house frozen in McDonald's in hot and cold style from cardboard and clay. In hot style, I make pink wall. And in cold style, I make blue wall. Wow! Let's make a bed for Olaf. He wants a red bed with a big headboard with shape like M. I will cover the outside with clay to make the bed softer. Rolling and rolling, keep rolling until the clay is spread thinly and evenly. At this point, be gentle if you don't want the clay to be torn. Cut off excess clay. We don't need them anymore. It looks pretty smooth. Now, I'm going to make a mattress out of cardboard. Put a layer of cotton to make the bed softer. Wrap an extra layer for outside to make the bed warmer. Hope Olaf is not melted by my heart. This is how I make the headboard. Draw the letter M on the pre-rolled clay. Push the pen even slowly and carefully. Then separate the excess clay. Back it up a bit. We have a perfect M in here. Now, I will decorate the window more. Olaf often falls asleep, so I'll make him an alarm clock. Use yellow nail polish to make the watch look like it's made of metal. Don't forget the hour and minute hands. Okay, Olaf, your clock is ready. Put a picture of the blue sky outside. Maybe Olaf likes to admire the scenery. In another app, I will make Olaf's bedroom a nightstand. Yellow drawer. The bedroom cannot be without a nightlight, right? I will use red paper to make it.
Oh, whale! Our new bedroom!
I will lie inside.
Elsa, I think we need another bed for Elsa.
Okay, Olaf. In Elsa's room, I will make a bunk bed. And blue is perfect color. I hope Elsa and Olaf love this room.
Wow, I love this bed.
It's so comfortable. We love it.
I think Elsa and Olaf need a stair to go downstairs. Blue, green, yellow drawer, orange, and red. Olaf said he is hungry, so I make a kitchen for him. I hope Olaf like hamburger. Put in here so Olaf can eat after waking up. A refrigerator is necessary for a kitchen. This kitchen is already for Olaf.
Wow! Thank you for the kitchen and your hamburger.
You are welcome. Elsa wanna watching TV, so I made for her a living room. A set of speakers will help Elsa hear the sound from the TV more clearly. Elsa, yeah, I'm making TV for you. time to watching TV.
Thank you. I love it. Look, I'm on TV now.